Welcome to Inequalities Part 2. Today we're going to look at inequalities that have a negative in front of the pronumeral and how to solve these. So when we solve an inequality that requires a sign change, we actually also change the inequality. So we're going to solve the following. So just some very simple ones to start with. Each of these requires the negative in front of the pronumeral, or the negative in front of the x, to be a sign change to the other side. So the negative x greater than 3, we do a sign change. That means the negative x becomes positive x, the 3 becomes negative 3, and you change the inequality from greater than to less than. So we get x less than minus 3 is the solution. With the second one, negative x is less than or equal to negative 2. So we do a sign change to get the x to be, to remove the negative from in front of the x. So you get x greater than or equal to 2. So the less than or equal to changes to greater than or equal to. So if we now put this into place, solving equations with 2 steps or with pronumerals on both sides. So the first one, 5 minus 2x is greater than 15, and the second one, 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 4x minus 15. So for the first one, solve it like a normal equation. So you minus 5 from both sides, so you get minus 2x is greater than 10. Divide both sides by 2, you get minus x is greater than 5, and you finish with a sign change. So that means you change everything. So minus x becomes positive x, the greater than becomes less than, the plus 5 becomes minus 5, giving our solution x is less than minus 5. When we solve it with pronumerals on both sides, the same thing again. Solve normally. So we're going to subtract 4x from both sides, so we get minus 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to minus 15, minus the 3 from both sides, so we get minus 2x is less than or equal to minus 18, divide by 2, so you get minus x is less than or equal to minus 9, and then we do a sign change. So the minus x becomes positive x, the less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to, and the minus 9 becomes plus 9. So you get x is greater than or equal to 9. Thank you.